Hi Plonkers! Mwah! Daft Scotslass here. Today I'm here to tell you about my Bloggers Ink Challenge on my blog. Last year I had this Bloggers Ink Challenge and it was really successful. The Bloggers Ink Challenge is a competition for people who like tattoos or have tattoos. It's a competition for anybody who wants to enter who's got tattoos, and I got such a great response last year that I thought I'd do another one this year. I love to see people's ink. I think it's a really special thing, maybe because it's permanent and you can't rub it off. It's there forever, so whatever you choose is got to be really special and it's got to mean something to you. I think that's what makes tattoos really special. Here's how it's going to work. You send me a picture of your tattoo. Obviously try and include where it is on your body. If you've got one on your arm, show your arm. If you've got one on your neck, try and show that it is on your neck, not just a close-up of your tattoo. It's just more interesting for the readers to see where exactly on your body your tattoos are. Then once you've done that, include like a short description of your tattoo, what it is, why you got it, and what's the significance behind it. Like if you've got a story that goes along with the tattoo. That's my favourite part. Obviously every ink has a story and I love to hear the stories behind it and why you got it. The entries close on Wednesday the 17th of August, which is just around the corner. I might actually extend that depending on how many entries we get. But at the moment the entries close on the 17th of August, and then I'll post on the 18th with everybody's photos of their ink. So email me your entries at orders@redpepper.za.net. I'll put a link below, and come back on the 18th of August and see the blog post, see your entries. The winner of this year's Bloggers Ink Challenge will win a voucher from foulmouthshirts.com. Go check them out. I'll put the link below as well. You can choose to the value of $15 what t-shirt you want, and they also do custom slogan t-shirts, so you could even send them a picture of your tattoo and get your tattoo on a t-shirt. How awesome is that? So get your entries in. You've got a 1 week to go. I look forward to seeing your ink, and be sure to come and visit the blog and check out who the winners are. So have an awesome weekend and I'll speak to you soon. Bye!
Stick around.